Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add and use Hydrobot in Discord server. So basically first is what you want to open your browser. So as you can see I have mine here, and you want to search for Hydrobot Discord just like so. So click on the first link right here. Just like so. Now what you want to do is just simply invite the bot to your Discord server. So this will prompt you to select a server for the bot, so I'm gonna pick this one. Click on continue, click on authorize, and there will be a verification. Just click on that, and once you're here, it will just load just like so. And there, once you're done with that, you can just simply go back to Discord just like so. And as you can see, Hydra has been successfully invited to your server. So you could either click on these messages, which will open up this one. It will decide, so basically it's the same as this one. So if you want to use the general here, so there will be themes here. So the prefix, so it's basically the key of how Hydra will respond to you in the server. So this will only, you could also change it if you're good with slashes and stuff, but for me I'll just set it to key. For the DJ roles right here, set DJ roles, enable DJ roles. And if you want reaction roles, so also here. And if you want welcome messages, it's also here. So something like that. And after you're all done with like anything with these options, you just need to click on preview Discord, so that will pop up here on your Discord server. And that's it guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.